everyone. We'll move on to the next type of your problems on directions. Yes, your question is, in this type it is known as sunset concept, shadow concept, or otherwise it is also known as shadows concept. See, once shadow concept means you just remember 2 points. What does that means? East direction, morning time, sun will be here. Am I right? Wherever the object is standing, person or object, what are the type? Wherever the person is standing means that person shadow will appear in west direction only. Person shadow will appear in west direction only. Okay, if sun sets or evening time means the sun will be in west direction. Sun will be in west direction. Wherever the person is standing or object is standing means that person's object, that is shadow, will appear in your opposite direction of east only. We are not able to change the shadow. We want to change the respective persons where we locate. Okay, now we'll move on to your question. One morning after sunrise. One morning in the sense while reading your data. One morning in the sense the sun is in the east direction. Wherever the object is located, the object shadow will be appeared in the west side of your direction. Okay, west hand side. Now, Gunal started to walk. During this walking, he met Vicky, who was coming from the opposite direction. We don't know Gunal is which direction, either north direction or east direction or west direction or south direction. There are 4 types of direction. We don't know Gunal is walking, where he is walking. Now, during this walking, he met Vicky, who was coming from the opposite direction. Anyway, Gunal and Vicky meet like this, opposite of. Other else, we have another choice. Gunal and Vicky, opposite direction. Now, Gunal watched that the shadow of Vicky to the right of him. Him means Gunal. See, wherever the person is walking. Okay, morning time means the shadow of an object will appear in the west. Imagine the shadow will be here. This shadow was exactly to the right of Gunal. So, if it is Gunal is standing here means this is the opposite of shadow. It is not possible. Now, if it is Gunal is here means this is the Gunal left hand side direction. This is the Gunal right hand direction. This is also not possible. If it is Gunal is standing here means, so this is the right hand side and this is the left hand side. So, Gunal's right hand side, the Vishal, that is that person, Vicky shadow will be appeared here. So, now your question is to which direction Vicky was facing. Obviously, opposite of Gunal is Vicky only. So, which direction he is facing? North direction. Okay. So, answer is option D. We'll move on to your next question. One morning after sunrise, Lokesh and Bharani were talking to each other face to face at crossing. If Bharani's shadow was exactly to the right of Lokesh, which direction Bharani was facing? Anyway, this is the east direction, this is the west direction. Anyway, the shadow of a person appeared in this side, that is west, because of morning time means the sun is in the east direction. Okay, now Bharani's shadow was exactly to the right of Lokesh. The shadow is Bharani. So, if who's that? Lokesh is standing here means this is the right hand side direction. It is correct. At crossing, cross cut means this is the way, crossing each other. This is the face to face. Okay, crossing each other means here Lokesh is located here means this is the right hand side of Lokesh. It will be right, Bharani shadow will be appeared here. The opposite of Lokesh is Bharani. Now Bharani is facing which direction? North, west. In between northwest direction Bharani is facing. So answer is not available. Your answer is none of these. Okay, we'll move on to your next question. In the morning, X and Y are walking towards each other in a park. When they meet each other means x to y, y to x. This is the towards each other in a park. Okay. Consider this is the morning time. Obviously the y shadows appeared here, that is west side. Now x is started here and y is started here. So as usual, walking towards each other. So x is facing which direction? X is facing which direction? East direction. The shadow of y will be appeared in front of x. Is obviously in front of x. If I am placing x's means it is the right hand side. If I am placing x's here means it is the left hand side. So the shadow will be in front of x. X is started here and walking towards y. Y is standing here and walking towards x. So now the x is facing east direction. Y is wherever it will be, he will be located. The y shadow will be appeared in the west direction. Okay. Conclusion. Yes, start. So this is the example of shadow concept. If it is sunrise means the shadow will be appeared in the west direction. If it is sunsets means the shadow will be appeared in the east direction. Thank you for watching.